Breaking news coming in. Bhupinder Mann, member of expert panel formed by Supreme Court to review the farm laws, has now recused himself from the panel. That's the big breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court had formed a panel of 4 to resolve the standoff between the centre and the farmers. And now Bhupinder Mann has recused himself. The reason what he has cited, we don't know at the moment, but that news is just coming in as we speak. So we'll get you more details on why he's quit this particular panel. This is the expert panel set up by the Supreme Court to resolve the standoff between the centre and the farmers. This is a big development. Bhupinder Mann, who is a member of expert panel formed by the Supreme Court to review the farm laws, recusing himself from this particular panel. It is a very, very big development coming in at the moment. Reasons at the moment we don't know, but our reporter will be able to tell us more about why he has recused himself from this particular panel. Remember, this is the panel which has been formed by the Supreme Court. We also do know that there were allegations that the members of the Supreme Court appointed expert panel supported the agri laws, and that was a big allegation that was coming in as well. Perhaps it has something to do with this. We do not know at the moment, but we will get you more on this in just about a bit. But this is to resolve the impasse. This particular panel was formed by the Supreme Court, and Mann has recused himself from the panel at the moment. That's the big breaking news that is coming in. The committee included Bhupinder Singh Mann of Bharatiya Kisan Union, Anil Ganwat of Shetkari Sangatana, Pramod Kumar Joshi and agricultural economist Ashok Gulati as well. And out of these 4, Bhupinder Singh Mann has recused himself. Anisha Mathur now joins us for the very latest development. Anisha, this is big news coming in. Bhupinder Mann, he has recused himself from the panel. What is the reason that has been cited?
Well, the press release that has been circulated to the media right now from Bhupinder Singh Mann and the Kisan Union media team says that while he's thankful to the Supreme Court for nominating him as a farmer and because of the prevailing sentiment, he does not want to compromise the interests of Punjab and the farmers of the country, and that is why he's recusing himself from this committee. Now, what he said that he will continue to stand with the farmers. We've been trying to get in touch with him to verify this statement and get his further comments. So we're still waiting for a more detailed comment. But this the 2-paragraph statement has been circulated by the Kisan Union to the reporters who've been covering the Kisan protest by the Kisan Morcha in their press group. So this is what he said in that press release, that he does not want to continue to stand against the farmers. He is standing for the farmers, and he does not, because of the sentiments and apprehension among the farm unions, he is ready to give up the position that has been offered to him.
So is that perhaps, strengthening these allegations that are coming in, that the ones who are a part of this particular panel are pro-farm laws, and which is why he perhaps would be the one to be standing up for the farmers and perhaps would not be able to do justice? Is that the reason?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.